Here's one of our Hello Bar top bars. As you can see, it stays in place upon scroll. Right now, it's being used to direct people to take a quiz. There's actually a second pop-up here, and it's one of our secret weapons for conversions. This is called the exit intent pop-up. Watch what happens when I move my cursor up to the top of the screen to try and leave the website. A pop-up appears. This is called our page takeover pop-up, and it's programmed to appear upon exit. This way, your customers only see it when they're already about to leave your site. You don't have to worry about ruining customer experience or feeling scammy with too many pop-ups on your site. We added a pop-up like this to our Hello Bar website and saw 800 extra signups in the course of a month, just from an exit intent alone. Here, I can select an answer and see a customized result based on the answer that I select. It's so simple, and it leads to so many conversions. We also have sliders, like this, that slides in from either side of your web page to put an offer right in front of people. When someone clicks, they're taken straight to the page that you want to direct them towards. Of course, you can also customize it to collect emails or other information, or even get more social media likes. This website also has an exit intent in place. As you can see, it only covers part of the screen instead of the full page takeover, but the idea is the same in that it catches people before they leave the website. Here's another slider in action. It's customized with images, fonts, and colors to match the website perfectly. But that's not all. This website is also customized so that when you shop by a certain pet, you see a message that is specifically connected to that animal. Right now, I'm on the rabbits page. You can see that this pop-up has now been customized with an image of a rabbit specifically. If I go to check out other animal pages, I'll see pop-ups that match that animal too. Here I am on the guinea pig page. As you can see, this pop-up is customized for guinea pigs. Through Hello Bar's targeting features, this website has set up custom pop-ups that match the URL perfectly. This helps to engage customers and get them to convert much more easily. There are plenty of options to use for your Hello Bar assets. I can't wait to get started working hand in hand to find the best pop-up types for your site and the best goals to support you in making your business thrive.